reclaim the night. This is what the call that has been given by the women of Kolkata, and now we can say the women of Bengal, because this protest, this common woman coming down on the roads is the first call that was given by one girl called Rim Jim, and now it has become a movement. We'd just like to show you that this is the woman from all over the Calcutta, and also we know that from districts also they have come. Women reclaim the night. It's very interesting in all the places as it is doing here. I'm in Jadavpur 8B bus stand. Not only in this place, around West Bengal, around more than 300 such rallies are going to take place. This is something which is historic, has never taken place in West Bengal like this. We'd like to also talk to them. Why have you come here?
Because I think what is wrong, what's happened needs to be protested. We need to stand against it. What has happened, it's a heinous crime, right? So we need to protest against it.
You are going to stand here, protest all through the night?
Yes, and I think we have a procession also.
So why have you come?
আমরা চাই যে যারা অভিযুক্ত হয় তাদের কঠিন থেকে কঠিনতম শাস্তি হোক, যেন এই শাস্তির জন্য মানে ভবিষ্যতে যেন এই রকম জঘন্য কাজ না আর কেউ করতে সাহস পায়।
Why have you chosen night?
রাতের বেলা তো বলা হয় যে মেয়েদের না বেরোতে, সেই জন্যই রাত, কারণ আমরা যাতে নিরাপত্তাটা ফিল করতে পারি যে আমরা রাতে নিরাপদ।
You all have seen in social media.
Yeah.
So what she is saying that because it is stated that in night women are not safe, and that's why they have actually called it Reclaim the Night. Rim Jim is with us, who has first posted this in Facebook, and now it's a movement. What do you have to say? Why a whole night?
Definitely the night, because the night becomes a character certificate for women and the people who belong to gendered communities, gendered minorities. So we are gathered here to prove this Independence Day that we are independently claiming the night for us as well. It is not the private property of a specific gender. It belongs to every gender that is here, that is in the society, and they will rightfully reclaim it every time it is important.
So are you going to stay all through the night?
Yes, I plan to stay all through the night until we see the sun rise, because with these things coming up, that what means to be a right woman, what means to be a wrong woman, the idea of being in the night is always getting added as a victim blaming factor, and we want to release our protest. We want to sit here the whole night to say that if anything happens to anyone, any criminal activity happens, it is not the fault of the victim in any way.
It's not the fault of the woman if things happens in night. Why have you come here? How do you know about this protest?
See, this is very overwhelming and ironic at the same time that we as women have to claim what is rightfully ours at the night of independence, as you said. I mean, I am feeling a range of emotions right now. This kind of heinous incident had to occur for women to come to the streets and claim what is rightfully theirs. So I think with every woman out there claiming the streets and the one who are sitting there and could not come here for whatever the reason is, I think it's very important we spread through.
You're going to march from here, have some candlelight march, or what?
We are thinking of a Moshal Michil as of now. So I think with the spirit of the entire movement, however we carry it forward, I think it will be a strong and historic event altogether.
Indeed, it's a historic movement. That's what the women, they are saying. They are saying that this is the night where they need to say that if woman goes out in night, that's not a crime. That does not give any audacity to anyone to rape that woman or even say bad things about woman. Whenever a rape takes place, it is always the woman who has been blamed, and a lot of remarks are passed regarding this. So this woman who have all the women, not only these in minimum 18 places Kolkata, this movement has started, and all over Bengal in 300 places. So women out there really roaring tonight. That's very clear in the eve of Independence Day. This is Kamalika Sengupta with Anshuman Roy reporting for CNN News 18 from Kolkata.
I am born and brought up in Calcutta. Calcutta is considered a safe place for women. whatever happened is very atrocious and obnoxious. My life partner is also a female, so I'm here to protest. This should not happen with anyone else. Not in any city. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Priyank All.
ব্যাংকের সামনে